Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, cruise control, clock, power windows, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.